What should I? I've got it in my hand.
Last week was the Spitfire Supermarine.
It was the Supermarine Spitfire Mark 8.
With the medallion coin.
That's right.
And now Tamiya have dropped one on us.
They've dropped 2 on us, but this is the more exciting one.
What's that one?
I didn't tell you the other one. This is the big one for this.
Show us the front of your box, mate.
Oh. Porsche. This has been like the
911 GT3 RS.
Right. RS. Alright, chuck it into over.
Are you going to build one of these? I heard that you and Jack A
are having a beach off.
Are going into a build off.
I think we are.
A Porsche off.
I got to beat him.
You're going to beat him.
I got to beat him.
And you've got to prepare them and get them ready for Model Expo 2025.
Bloody hell. Mine needs Marlboro stickers and stuff all over it. That's my only problem.
Well, you've got 5 months to organise it. There you go. Jack will have his done by the weekend.
He will.
Hey, look at that. Beautiful box. Is it all new molds?
Yep.
Is it?
All new molds.
Fantastic.
How beautiful is that?
I do love this. I have seen a couple of these on the street for real, and they are a thing of beauty.
They are so loud.
Let's have a look in the box, mate.
All right. This is what you're confronted with when you open the box. You got your clear parts.
What is it?
It's your windshield, your like windows, quarter glass, everything.
At least it's not just one piece like the old ones that just pop in, right?
Yeah. So this is also what it's a one-piece brake light, which is weird for the Porsche kits. They usually come in 2 for some reason, but Tamiya have made it even easier for the modelers to do with just 1. And then also we have...
Why is it window masks? Wouldn't you paint the body before you put the windows in? Clearly not. I wouldn't know.
It's got like little demarcations on it. So like all the rubber seals and it ventures over a little bit. So we have window masks here as well, which is really nice. They're all pre-cut as well, which is...
Pre-cut? No,
they are.
They're not.
Have a look.
They're not.
Look at it in the light.
These are pre-cut.
Go on. They're pre-cut.
These are pre-cut. I'm gonna whip it in here. Look. This is Jackson, so he won't mind if I crease up all his window masks, will he? He'll lose it.
He'll lose it,
won't he?
He'll be, I'm not buying this one.
He'll lose it.
That'll be an extra $10.
Is it cardiograph?
No. It's Tamiya.
It's Tamiya?
Tamiya. They don't work with cardiograph.
Well, they should.
They absolutely should. Their decals are okay.
What other decals have we got?
The Porsche GT3 RS.
Don't tell Jack, but I'm all sweaty as well.
You've got your carbon fiber. Don't do that. They'll start sliding off.
I'm not allowed to lick him?
You're not allowed to lick him. Right. Otherwise, they'll start sliding off. You have to build it in 10 minutes. Yeah, you're carbon. But apparently, it doesn't look good.
And the GT3 RS in four different colours.
Yeah. So
that's cool, huh?
It does. They cater a bit to whatever you want to do.
Whatever your taste is.
That's right. We have all they're the mirror parts.
Mirror parts.
And then we have all the instrument clusters and the seats and whatever for decals.
Decals.
Blah, 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 as I usually say.
Yeah.
Blah, blah,
what else
blah.
is in the box, mate?
Your hull.
Don't give me
not your hull, but your body.
We're not allowed to call it a hull.
Your bathtub style body.
Bathtub?
Yeah. Look at that. It's like a bath. If you filled it all in, it'd be a bath.
You
know, you sit there.
There you go. Put your feet up.
Brake rotors. Windscreen wipers.
I do love good brake rotors.
That's the bucket for the seats and everything. You got your dash.
The monocoque interior.
What do we call this? What did he call that?
Bulkhead?
No, they're the
door cards.
Door cards. I call them like something different.
Door inners.
Yeah. Steering wheel molded in 3 parts. Really, really nice.
This is going to be a bit tricky. It's white. A bit of white on white.
Like that. Seats molded in 3 parts. Really cool wheels.
Really
cool rims. Really cool rims. Really deep.
Shut up and take my money.
Take it. What else we got?
K-frame.
Yeah. Suspension
bits. Arms. Brake calipers.
We'll go towards the back there. All right.
Rubber bits, my favorite.
Rubber tires.
And they are scale. Are they? They are too. They are pilot cups. Yeah, Michelin pilots.
That's right.
What else you got?
Floor.
Oh, floor.
The base of the car, and then you've got a couple of little grills and whatnot.
Have a look at the diffuser on the back. What detail! The whole floor panel. The diffuser on the back and the front. That's probably much like the real one. Not that I've ever been under one.
I have.
I wouldn't fit.
He hit me on my bike.
Did he?
Nope.
And what do you think about that?
I think it was great.
Instructions.
Like
would you use them?
Maybe not.
Would you? No, seriously, I don't know. Do experienced model, are they all the same? Or
look, I do use instructions, I just don't use them in order.
in order? Wait,
Not
just
in
make
order.
it up.
Don't make
So
it up.
step one doesn't mean step one to you?
No,
Okay.
no.
You wouldn't start with the floor?
Maybe. But I mean, like, I might build up to here, and then I might go, okay, I want to start building the interior. I might go and build the interior first, because that's what I know I'm going to be painting to put all together with the masks, you know?
I would paint the body first.
You would?
Yeah.
Get the fun
Because
out of the way.
if you bugger that up, then you just throw the rest in the bin.
That's right.
No?
That's
Sorry,
right. You just build a shell.
Shell?
A shell, bro. There you go, chuck it in there.
Sorry, Jack.
Well, I'll fix that up for you, Jack.
Really?
Anyway, where'd the box lid go? Oh, here it is. That's the GT3 Porsche 911. Brand new kit. Brand spanking new. Just come in yesterday.
Yes, buddy, it is faster than the sleigh.
3.3 seconds. 0 to 100.
Woo! Like you on the pushy.
That's right.
Hey?
I'm a bit faster though.
Hey? Oh.